Hey everybody, my name is Steve Schneider. I'm going to be talking about machine learning, the prediction of severe car crashes. The data is in my SQL server. I've got about 2 million records of data, and that data originally came from the state of Florida. So what and why would you want to come to my presentation? Well, I'm going to talk about how graphs, the use of graphs created in Python, uh, will help you understand the data before you model. Then we'll briefly go into the actual creation of the model using XGBoost. Finally, we'll talk about using graphs both to understand how the model performed itself, as well as how the model used your data. So let's talk about some of those graphs. Let me give you a preview of some of those graphs we're going to talk about. So over here on your left side or right side, whatever side that is, we're going to talk about bar charts, right? Here's a bar chart showing what the validation data looks like, the types of crashes, good and bad. We're going to talk about learning curves, okay? So the first two were about the data. Now we're talking about how is the model performing and how do you know if it's a good model or not. So we're talking about learning curves. We're talking about the depiction of what's referred to as a tree, right? This is how the model actually decides go or no go. Yes, it's a big accident, or no, it's not. That's fundamentally valuable to understanding how the model works. All right, we'll talk about rock area under the curve. We'll talk about confusion matrices. We'll talk about calibration plots, confidence curves. There's another one of those trees. We'll get into the importances, feature importances, one by permutation, one by feature. This is by weight, and this is by gain. So we're going to have several of those. And finally, we'll also have comparison of SHAP values. Right? So here are some SHAP values. Those are another new technique to help you understand which feature is the most important. Well, all I can tell you is we'll dive into the code today. This was just a visual presentation, but we'll have lots of code. I look forward to you coming. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.